What's up everyone? So today what we're going to be looking at is composite functions. By the end of this video you should understand what is a composite function and how to find the inverse of a composite function. So let's say we have something like f of x is equal to 2 divided by x squared. Find f of minus 5. All we're going to do is we're going to substitute what's in the function. Yeah? So we know here that this is f of x is equal to 2 over x squared. So f of minus 5 is just going to be 2 divided by, and then this time we put in brackets, minus 5 squared. So instead of an x being here, it's minus 5. So the answer is 2 over 25. Same thing with this example. F is a function such that f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So find what f of 3 is. Well, if f of x is equal to 2x plus 5, f of 3 is just going to be 2 times x, which in this case is 3, 2 times 3 plus 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 6 plus 5, 11. This also works for algebra as well. So if we're told f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x minus 8, and we're told to express what f of x plus 2 is equal to, it's exactly the same thing. So we're told that f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x minus 8. And again, these are with x, x, and x. So what do you think f of x minus 2 is going to be? I'm going to use a different color here. What do you think f of x plus 2 is going to look like? Exactly. All we're going to do is just substitute in what's in here, which is 3 times x plus 2 all squared minus 2 times x plus 2 minus 8. And now we can simplify what this is. So it's 3 times, when we expand that, it's going to be x squared plus 2x plus 2x 4x plus 4 minus 2x minus 4 minus 8, yeah? Which is equal to, what's that going to be? 3x squared plus 12x plus 12 minus 2x minus 4 minus 8. So now let's collect the like terms. Here we have a 3x. We can just leave it at that, 3x squared. Here we have a 12x and we have a minus 2x. So 12 minus 2 is equal to plus 10x. And then here we have a 12, a minus 4 and a minus 8. They're just going to cancel out. So the answer is this 3x squared plus 10x. We can use the same principle with other functions. So now we're told f of x is equal to x over 3 plus 4, and g of x is equal to 6x squared plus 3x. So work out f of g of x. This is the same as writing f of sorry, I'm in highlighter mode, f of g of x. And as you can probably tell, if before we had to substitute what's in here, here we need to substitute what's in here. So this is the same as g of x over 3 plus 4. G of x is equal to 6x squared plus 3. So we can write out 6x squared plus 3 all divided by 3 plus 4. We can factorize out 6x squared plus 3. So we factor out the 3 and we get x squared plus 1. And then because we're dividing by 3, the 3's will cancel out. If I can just get my red pen out. So then your final answer will look like x squared plus what's 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. And there's your final answer, guys. Finally, what if we're told to find the inverse of a function? So whenever it's talking about the inverse operation is just the opposite operation. The way we can do this is we can let f of x be equal to y and then make x the subject. Okay, so now let's do this together. So we'll let y equal to x over 2x minus 1. And now, because like I said from previous classes, what's the problem with this expression? It's in a fraction, so get rid of the fraction. Times both sides. So we get y times 2x minus 1 is equal to x. Now, to factorize this further, we need to expand. So we get y times 2x. I'm just going to say 2xy minus y is equal to x. And now we need to put all the x's on one side. So here is an x, here is an x. We need to jump this x on one side. So then, therefore, I'm just putting it up here. You'll get minus y is equal to x minus 2xy. And now because we want to make x the subject, we can factor out this x. So we're left with minus y is equal to x times 1 minus 2y. And so therefore x is equal to 1 minus 2y all divided by hold on. We're left with minus y all over 1 minus 2y. So therefore, this is unfortunately in terms of y. So now we can replace this with f of x and this with x. And what we're left with is a final answer of inverse f of x is equal to minus x over 1 minus 2x. And that's our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this made sense to all of you. If you guys liked it, please subscribe. It means the world to me. If you guys need help with anything maths related, join my Discord server. And finally, if you need some extra help and some extra tutoring, drop me an email and we can organise a free meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.